Taro Forever, guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's great to have you guys back. As you guys saw in the footage there, we were in town early in the morning. We are preparing another order for American Samoa Taro for export. So our taro harvest that we exported last week was a success, and as a result we have to go again for this week, and we're trying to make the order before Thanksgiving, because it's a public holiday in American Samoa for Thanksgiving this coming Thursday. So I'm trying to get the order done before, because the ship's schedule has changed, so it's come up 1 day earlier, so the boat's leaving 1 day earlier, and as a result we have to try and adapt. So we're trying to get the order done now. Took a day off work to come and help out with the boys in order to get the order done. So yeah, guys, so spent the whole morning trying to sort out the paperwork, all the logistics stuff, permits and clearances and stuff, and we're back now at the plantation. Me and Jay were here. Loy and Pa'a has been here at the plantation the whole morning, harvesting taro and getting it ready for transport to the house. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. I'll try and pop in every now and then. Might get a little busy, but we'll make sure to make a great episode today. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. See you guys soon. Mostly the Talovave variety. We'll try and get some other varieties such as the Saiko and Samolo, but it's mostly this variety here. Got tons of pig food. It's I guess the challenge is trying to preserve it, which is why we're leaving it in the shade. Alright guys, so I have to carry these. Us and the boys carry it back to the car. It's quite far, but not that far. to the other plot and then harvest there. Hopefully we make up the numbers. If not, we'll harvest another one of these plots here or the ones at home. Alright guys, we're here at the plot. Park the car in the shade. It's one important thing when it comes to harvesting, post-harvest techniques. Post-harvest techniques to ensure that the crop isn't damaged from any of the sunlight rays and stuff. So always got to keep it in the shade. So we finished harvesting here at the plantation. I think we've had enough because we're starting to get the smaller ones which are not yet ready for harvest. But we're gonna head back home and see if we can get some from the plantation next to the house. Just finished cleaning up taro we harvested from next to the house. So after this we'll head down to the house, which is just about 10 meters, and then we'll clean them up and then start weighing 23 kilos into each sack. Hopefully we make the order, but not sure at the moment, so we'll see how we go. Alright, so finished harvesting the one from the side of the house. Just going to bring the car forward a bit and grab the sacks so we can get them onto the car. Alright guys, so just finished loading the taro onto the truck, and we're gonna go head home, the long drive home. And then we'll start cleaning them up and then start weighing them out, and we're home. How quick was that? It's one of the benefits of this plantation next to the house. It's always good for last minute stuff, and also to finish the order. All right. guys, so we've as you guys saw there, we began weighing out the taro. Might go up till tonight, so we'll see how we go, and then fingers crossed we make the order. Alright guys, so finally finished setting up, stitching up the taro sacks. Unfortunately we were only able to get 16, so that's about 15 and 1 kangoli, so we didn't make the 20, but one of the main shops actually ordered 15, so that's bang on for that shop. Hopefully we'll try and see if we can get some more tomorrow. If not, then I guess it'll be 16 for the order tomorrow, but fingers crossed. But yeah, I think that's it from us tonight. We'll catch you guys in the morning when we actually head to the wharf to take the taro. Good morning, guys. It is now Wednesday morning here in Samoa, and we're gonna go get the order ready, load it onto the pickup, and then head to the wharf. Again, it was because the boat usually leaves for Pango on Thursdays. However, due to the change in shipping schedule, we've had to leave on Wednesday because Thursday's Thanksgiving. So unfortunately, yeah, so we've got to bring it up. So we had to move towards the boat schedule, and that's why we're shipping on. Oh, look at that issue there. Get the papaya, it's got a hole in it. But yeah, so we're gonna get the order ready, and then we'll head to the wharf. So if you guys remember our episode where when we're trying to build a gun cabinet for our soon to be owned gun, I had pallets here, so we're going to use one of these pallets for our shipment to save, so that way we can save costs. It's a pretty good pallet, so I'll take this onto the car now. So we're going to head to the wharf now. Guys, so we're in town now. Just gonna head to work. Jay and my wife will head to the wharf, and then they'll drop off the taro as I have to head back to work. Missed work yesterday for the shipment, so I have to head back into work, and then the wife and Jay will go sort out the paperwork and get the load onto the shipment. So hopefully we'll get some footage then, catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, so we got some footage from Jay, as you guys can see there. Apologies, it is quite pixelated, but we had to make deal with what we can. So our export was successful, and we were able to get it onto the boat just in time for Thanksgiving in American Samoa. So I think we're going to sign off here, guys. We just want to say thank you all for the support on our YouTube channel. Just want to say a big happy Thanksgiving from all of us here on the farm. So everyone's celebrating Thanksgiving. But I think that'll be it from us. We'll catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, and stay safe.